Hello. So I am going on a trip to Paris this weekend. I booked this trip back in November. This was kind of like a spontaneous solo trip that I decided to do. This will actually be my first solo trip outside of the country. I'm a little bit nervous, but I am excited nonetheless because Paris was definitely on my bucket list and I can't wait to go. There's so much that I want to do there. My cousin, she lent me a book about solo travel specifically for women. It's called A Trip of One's Own by Kate Wills. I just started it last night. She talks about some of the history of women traveling, and apparently the first travel writer was a nun, and it also includes some tips on solo traveling. And I just thought this was such a good read right before my trip, so I hope to finish it before I leave. I also wanted to show you guys how I plan out my trips and how I plan out what I bring. Usually with long haul flights, or longer trips, I have to plan out what I'm going to wear just so that I don't overpack. I think I have a good strategy. So, what I'm going to do is for this trip, I'm bringing one large check in suitcase. I'll definitely have room to bring back some souvenirs because I do plan on shopping there. And then I'll just bring a carry on that will have all of my in flight essentials and entertainment on the plane. So, how I figure out what clothes I will be bringing, I did this on my last trip to Europe. I used Canva to make a almost like a PowerPoint presentation of what I will be bringing and what I will be wearing each day. So, here on Canva, this is where I plan out all of my outfits for all the days that I will be there. First, I create this sort of main page that has all of the articles of clothing that I potentially want to bring. So, since I'll only be there for 4 days, I have like about 4 to 5 tops. And then right now I have 3 bottoms, a going out outfit, outerwear, bags, belt, shoes, that sort of thing. And then I add pages to signify each day that I'll be there, including a night out outfit. And then I just kind of mix and match the articles of clothing that I have from the main page and I just kind of spread it out. This is how I usually plan out what I bring. And this is kind of extra. You don't need to do this, but I love the visuals of having it laid out like this. Besides Canva, I obviously have a full-on checklist of every single item that I need. This is extremely helpful. I am definitely the type of person to make checklists of everything because I'm always afraid I'm going to miss something or forget something. And for my itinerary, I use Wanderlog. I'm able to add places that I want to visit, and I could categorize them and then set them out by the dates. But I love how it kind of maps out all of the places. And so I have them grouped by like Friday, this is where I'm going Saturday, this is where I'm going Sunday, and then Monday. This has been life-changing for me in terms of traveling. So I also made another Wanderlog itinerary for the next trip that I'm going on this year. Definitely, I highly suggest using Wanderlog. This is what I'm bringing on my trip to Paris. This is the Beis medium size check-in luggage. I'm gonna bring this because I do want to bring stuff back from Paris. So I'm bringing a bigger luggage. And I got this on their Black Friday sale for a pretty good deal. So this is the first time I'll be using her. I love my carry-on luggage from Beis. It's so reliable. I've used it on so many trips since 2020. So it's still holding up pretty well, and I'm sure it'll be the same for this guy. Let's pack her up for my trip. This is what the inside of the luggage looks like. Oh, by the way, this is the carry-on version in the matcha green color that came out in 2020, and that's when I got this bag. I love it. There are a few scratches and dings to it, but it's still holding up in pretty good shape. And I was able to fit this inside here when storing it. So this, again, is the medium-sized check-in luggage from Beis. Pretty much my goal is to fit everything on one side so that I have more space for souvenirs and goodies on this side. It comes with 2 dust bags, perfect for putting in your dirty laundry or smaller articles of clothing like socks, underwear, things like that. It comes with this sort of divider. This is detachable, so I'm gonna decide whether or not I want to keep this in there. Right now, I laid out all of the stuff that I will be packing. I had to try on some of the clothes that I originally wanted to bring, but I swapped some pieces out for different ones just because it felt more comfortable or looked better with the outfit I had in mind. So this is what I have, and I think I can fit that on one side of the luggage. So we'll see how that goes. So this is the current situation that I have right now. Again, lots of space here. I brought an extra packable bag. This is from Baggu. This is their small cloud carry-on. And I could fit it in this like tiny pouch. Well, not really tiny, but pretty sizable pouch. And I could also, this acts as another pocket inside the bag itself. So this I can bring as a carry-on when I come back. That way I have more space. And then all of my clothes fit on this side. I have my toiletry bag, shoes over here. And then I have my extra bag in here as well as my makeup. And then I will be adding another coat in here to act as a buffer so things don't keep moving around. Seems like I'm not going to be going over the weight limit, which is good. But definitely when I come back, I'll be bringing more stuff. So luckily I have this. I've added the divider that the luggage comes with, and this is pretty good to just compress everything down. Just pulling these straps here, and it acts as just like a divider to protect all of your stuff. And then this also comes with a zippered divider here, so everything is nice. Oh, there you go, nice and separated. And then just zip it up, and that'll be it. I thought I would show you my personal item slash carry-on and do a little what's in my bag. This is from Tory Burch. I believe it's called their Fleming Soft Hobo, if I'm not mistaken. And it's in this beautiful muted green color. And this bag fits all of my in-flight essentials. So let's get to it. So the first thing I have is my neck pillow, and it's in this compact little baggie, and it fits perfectly in the bag. Since it's an overnight flight and it's around 8 hours, I'm hoping to get some sleep on the plane. Next, I have my sunnies. I have this pair that I'm bringing. This is from Gentle Monster. I'll be strutting around Paris rocking these. And I have a pair of blue light glasses that are similar to these, and these I just got from Amazon. This would be good for when I'm reading or watching my shows. I like them, and I look like a librarian, and I look really smart wearing these. So got these. Next, I'm bringing my handy dandy journal with me. I just love writing, especially when I'm traveling. So just wanting to jot down all of the memories and everything I've done each day. So gotta bring this with me. My mini iPad. This is where I keep all of my downloaded TV shows and movies to watch on the plane. My Kindle, I cannot leave the house without this, let alone go to Paris without it. And it has all the books that I'll be reading. And of course, I cannot leave the country without this. This is my passport, and the passport cover is from Glossier. Just got the handy dandy passport and some cards over here. I have this pouch from Baggu, and it's their collab with Sandy Liang. And I have a bunch of smaller goodies inside. So first up are my mints, and this is a tin from Miffy that I got from Amsterdam. Next, my medicine. Can't leave without this as well. I got hand sanitizer, a compact mirror. This is like such a cute doggy in the front, and it just opens up like that. Bang. I have some wipes to wipe down the seat and the tray in front of me, some charging cables, a pouch within a pouch. This is my Rilakkuma pouch, and it holds my earphones and my earplugs. Next, I got my perfume. This is the Kayali Vanilla 28, and I just love the smell. And I'm nearly done with it, so this is what I'll be bringing to Paris. I have a pack of tissues. Next, I have this pouch, and in this pouch is my sleeping mask. Got my lippies. This is, you can't even see the label anymore. This is just a lip balm from Lush. Also used a Gisou lip oil. And finally, another thing I can't leave without is my wallet. And in my wallet, I also keep an AirTag. Highly recommend getting AirTags for your luggage, your bag, anywhere that holds your valuables. Definitely a must-have. One more thing that I almost forgot to mention are these noise-canceling headphones. Also cannot leave without it. This is my travel essential. If you want to block out the airplane noise as well as crying babies and just want to be zen and in a quiet place despite it being public, highly recommend investing in some noise-canceling headphones. These are the Sony XM4, I believe. It has a super long name, but these are the ones that are foldable, and it could fit perfectly in my bag. And that is what's in my bag.